Hi traders, good day. So today is 4th of May 2020. We are now live the trading for S&P 500 futures market. So this is micro contract. So based from my live Telegram channel. So just send out sorry, just send out one signal for long position. So we already in the market. I believe yes. The fill for this. So for this entry already filled, and now we are waiting for it to reach the TP targeted area, which is at 28.22. And based from the current situation, we are in a good position. So let's go to my current position. We have a good profit today, about 500. And yes, we already in the market. So based from this situation, we can see that the market might go for the bullish kind of movement towards the VWAP line, above VWAP line towards the pivot level. So based from the live Telegram channel as well, we will reach around 11 points, and for the gain of another 11 points, so quite similar 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. Alright traders, so let's go back to the chart. So we will have to do some analysis. So this is basically for US session strategy. So based from this strategy, this I'm using the indicator from my own indicator, self custom indicator, which is indicate when to buy or when to sell the market. So for example, like this for E Mini S&P futures 500, so we are going to buy at this position. Okay, then expected to reach the TP, which is at 28.20. So this will be a quick buy position, a long position hopefully, and the price might go towards 28.32 or 28.36, so about this area price level. But we are not going to take everything, so we are basically will scalp during US session. So 11 points or 10 points should be good enough. With the normal standard account, it should be earn around 550 US dollar or 500 US dollar per contract size. Alright traders, as well, we are in the good position at this moment, and as well for other market as well, all pointing for the bullish. So Nasdaq already fly through. We can see there's before the Chicago open time, and already fly through, and there's a lot of point already. And as well for Russell 2000, also there's a buy signal, but suddenly because of this price opening, there's a pressure, and it is really advisable for us to enter the market only after the Chicago open or the barrowing. Alright, so looks good. So by the way, this is self custom indicator, which I call it US Session Scalper. So there's a link below in the description. Feel free to click on it or contact me if you're interested to get this indicator. So based from current situation, let's go to our platform. Let's take a look on our profit. So we are in the good profit of 45 US dollar under the micro account, and this is quite good. Okay, so target is 28.22. So should include, okay, this will be my alright profit target, and the stop loss, okay, looks good, quite fast. Okay, so the stop loss will be at 28.01, something like that. So hopefully the price will not reverse back to this level. Sell to stop, this is the stop loss. Okay, so everything's in place, and let's wait. Hopefully everything it will hit the target much more easier, because we have a good position today with 576 US dollar in profit. So maybe another 100 or 120 should be good enough for us to end our day trade today. So current position 75 actually, which is quite good. I can either to wait or to exit the market. Both situation is quite good for me, because I'm already on the winning side, and this might take some other extra profit for today. So guys, there's a lot of link in the description, so feel free to join my live Telegram channel as well, my live signal, and to get my indicator, as you can see from this chart. Okay, there's a bit slightly reversal. I think I will change this into bar chart so you can see it better. Okay, this is the signal mentioned just now. This is the entry, the first horizontal line. This is the TP targeted, then the overall market might go towards this direction. So we are not going to take everything, so I will pause this video for a while and we'll resume later on once the price almost hit the TP area. Alright traders, resume again. So based on the current situation, we are still in the floating in negative territory, and we are holding minus 2.5 for micro lot, or for the normal standard mini account should be around 25 US dollar. So this multiple line re-entry based from the current situation still valid to have a good position for this movement, which is entering at 1175. Targeted still remain the same at 2822, and we are waiting for the final breakthrough. Once it's breakthrough, then it will go further up and away. Alright, so everything's still solid at this moment. Hopefully the price will not go further down. That's what we are expected at this moment. So I'm preparing to re-enter the market with other position, to add in more position on the higher side, to go for the long bullish kind of movement towards the all day for today. Alright guys, doesn't look good at this moment. We almost hit the stop, but still surviving, and we are waiting for the major pullback. Hopefully the price will push higher in the next 10 minutes time. Once it's on the blue candle, then we have more chance to save this entry and remain on the positive side for today. Alright, looks good. Now the price remain on the positive side, back to the entry level, and I will add more position based from the current situation, and we are more likely to add a position at 2812 just to add in, or you can add at the same entry level, which is at 281175, and also just waiting for the price to hit this yellow line, which is our TP area, which is at 2822, or 11 points ahead. So while waiting, we pause this video. This is going to take maybe another 20 minutes for the price to go for the TP targeted area. So it was a good trade until now, which is we're still holding on the negative side, but it's not much. If trading a mini account, it will be around 100 or 200 floating negative, with a target of 500 and 550 US dollar profit target for one contract size. So it was a good deal actually. So let's wait and see. Hopefully we are not going to be stopped. The price almost hit our stop, which is down here, and let's hope everything will turn blue for the next few candles, which is will provide us a good strong indication that the market will go for a bullish movement towards this 2822 at this yellow line. Alright traders, resume again. So it was really a tough trade, and you can see that the market made a sideways movement, and it's quite clear based from this chart. As we recorded earlier in this video, I show you how I do make the entry, and then the market make a wavy about the sideways movement. Let's draw some boxes, so just about this area. So luckily it not hit our stop loss, which is just near at this bottom. So based from the current situation, there's more likely we will have another buy signal over here. I'm still holding my position with adding one more lot position size, and we'll re-enter again for another one lot. and expected for the price to push on the higher side on the faster speed. You know, 3 lots micro account, so I need to add let's see, I think should be enough. So this one I need to delete first. Okay, so the target still remain at 22. This is since the beginning of this entry, so we are good in profit actually. Already 63 for this micro account. If standard mini account should be around 637 in profit. Overall today we are in the good position. You can see that we have a cumulative profit of 632, 636 over here. Yeah, over here this is the cumulative profit. So let's wait, hopefully the price will not reverse back to the downside, so perhaps we can move our stop loss to this price level. So but we have to wait first. Hopefully the price break through the nearest high and go towards this yellow line. So there's a high chance for the market to remain bullish and hit this pivot line, which is at 28.36. It's very high, good profit actually. So for us, we wait until this yellow line only because we are scalping US session. Alright traders, resume back again. So as expected, okay, as expected, you can see then now this candle might be the another entry point, but we're still using this previous entry point of this buy signal, one tick higher than candle, and this is the second one. So based from this second one, there's more likely that the market will go towards my there's a possibility for the second entry if the current price remain on the bullish side. By the way, this is time frame 5 minutes, so we can see this is a live trade with my live account, and but above of all, we already exit this box sideways boxes, and now waiting for the target price level at 28.22. So another 8 more points, which is around 8 multiplied by 4, 32 ticks. So let's wait and see. So we are doing good as well on the PNL. We have around yeah, still positive, not much but positive, and the overall profit also still increasing. Looks good, everything looks good. So let's hope still strong on the bullish side. Okay, so we have maybe in 3 minutes to see whether this will indicate a good strong bullish movement for the next 20 minutes or 30 minutes time frame. Okay, let's pause for a while and resume later on. Alright traders, still maintain on the positive side and waiting for the breakthrough to the higher side, and it's a bit late, and we have been in the market for quite some time. So based from this charting as well, we can see that the market still remain sideways, waiting for a breakthrough. Hopefully it's not a reversal. So it's the best to add in more position, but okay, that looks good. Alright traders, it seems like the market already have a breakthrough. We have been waiting for about an hour and a half for this breakthrough. Now price did move on the higher side, and based from my charting as well, there's more likely now we are in the good sure way that the market will go for a bullish movement. So the target is this price level of 28.22. Hopefully nothing will stop us for this target price level. Yeah, this is the target, so let's wait. It's going to, oh, now it doesn't look good, but still on the positive side. Then we'll have to remain patient on the current situation. Alright traders, doesn't look good. Market did reverse further down, so this is based from time frame 1 minute, so we have to consider this is a unfortunate trade and we will have a loss. So the stop loss have been removed to 228 0.50. So let's wait and see. So this is a loss trade for this signal. So based from my live Telegram channel as well, the stop loss have been moved to 28 0.450. And let's wait and hope if the price have more tendency to the bullish, then the price will reverse. Okay, it's more likely that the market will change direction, perhaps. Traders, we almost hit our trailing stop, which is indicate that the market will do reversal permanently, and this doesn't look good. We're still holding some position on the minus, which is quite a lot, minus 80 US dollar. So this is where we are going to reverse the market. So I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. This is a lost trade, and see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.